Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in this video. And I just wanted to remind you that, hey, this week is kind of the last week that we have our sale, promotion, and discount for our course, the TC2000 Masterclass. So if you're brand new, this is charting platform to what I kind of use for scanning the charts for long-term investing, for speculative things, for swing trading. Again, a little bit more directional things. It's not something that I use that often for non-directional option trades, but it gives me an indication, do I want to be a little more bullish on my option trades, bearish on my option trades, and so on. So this is the charting platform that I use. I think it's just much more advanced and powerful and easy to use, more friendly and faster than some of the other platforms that are web-based, which you might have seen in the past, or even broker-based like in TD Ameritrade or many other platforms. So this is just, they focus on the charts, and the charts are just so powerful. So in this masterclass, I'm going to go over a lot of details. 85% of the course is all focused on how to use the software, such as setting up these layouts. So layouts are different views. So you might have like, hey, a watch list, a whole bunch of watch lists. You might have indicators or scanners. You might have different grid views like this or like this. So you can see there's just a ton out there. Or even the alerts. We're going to look at charts, how to customize your charts. So whether you want to, let's say you're looking at this chart, I could go ahead and quickly switch it to a little bit of a different exponential moving averages. I could do regular moving averages. I could do Bollinger Bands. So, or I could even do candlesticks. So there's a lot more to it as far as the usability of it from flipping from one chart to the next and so on. So anyways, we'll look at that. We'll look at how to draw on them. We'll look at building watch lists. So you'll see how I go ahead and have kind of watch lists like this, how I set them up and customize these screens, or even just, you know, I might just customize with just a watch list on the side. So we'll dig into that. And we'll look at alerts as well. So when we look at the alerts, I'll show you how I set up the alerts, how I evaluate alerts, how I trigger the alerts, and much more on that. We'll even go into, this is kind of another big part of it, is how I set up my software for, such as my chart settings, how I have my scanners, watch lists, keyboard shortcuts, how I navigate the platform, how I dig into my process and set up my alerts, my screens, and much more, multi-monitor usage. So there's quite a bit of that as well. So again, 80% I would say is software-based education, maybe 85%, and then maybe 15% or so is kind of my own stuff and get an insight of how I use the software. So that's really what we're going through in this course. It's about 50 videos and about 5 hours long. And you can check out more in the description below. So just go ahead and check that out. And if you go ahead and purchase it here before the end, you'll be able to get a little bit of a discount. There's going to be a promotion code when you're going on the sales pages. So check it out on our website. Just go to tradersfly.com and it'll route you to our courses page where you can buy all the courses, which is rise2learn.com. So all our sales go through Rise to Learn because that's just a lot easier to have all the paying people on Rise to Learn, and all the free stuff that we talk about, the blogs and stuff, is on Traders Fly. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you check it out and grab the course, especially if you're using the software. Just remember, links are in the description, or just go to our website directly. You can get more information on that. You can also grab a lot of the freebies that we have available. Just click the link right over here, or go to the freebies section on our website. Subscribe to the channel if you're brand new, or just keep watching some other free videos as well if you want to just go ahead and go that route. Anyways, thanks again. Hope to see you in the course. And don't forget, do what you love, contribute to other people, but most importantly, live life abundantly. I'll see you next time.